with what's making the headlines, especially what's on the front page of the Standard newspaper, and that is the justice on trial. You know, justice on trial. Yeah. Apparently, judges are supposed to dismiss justice are the ones now facing justice. They're fighting for their life when it comes to justice. Yeah. I'll start with you, Honorable Member Caleb Amise.
Yeah, thank you for having me today, this morning. Yeah, well, I woke up to this kind of headline, and of course, in his true meaning. The other day we were talking about democracy on trial. So it's now ridiculous that also justice is on trial. Mm-hmm. The men and women who are supposed to, you know, guard our judicial system mm-hmm. are now the ones facing justice. So I think this just shows how deep rotten our society has gone, mm-hmm. and how the institutions that are, you know, mandated in dispensing justice mm-hmm. have been, you know, infiltrated with the same crooks and the same elements of corruption. So I think it also shows how deep embedded the corruption cartels have, you know, taken this country, and mm-hmm. it'll maybe need another angle to it, either change of our laws or something different other than depending on the judiciary. Okay. And the other day you had the president, you know, casting aspersions on the ability of the judiciary to, you know, effectively participate in the war against corruption. Mm-hmm. And such headlines actually just, you know, proves that the fear from the president is founded. True. Yes. Okay. Yeah. And Magali, you know, Honorable Amise actually said what we are also, you know, talking about with our online yes. Viewers in terms of, is it a high time we have a purge at the judiciary, and will it actually help?
Morning, viewers. First of all, I would like to concur with what Mheshimiwa here is saying. Of course, Wanjiku, Atieno, or Naliaka waking up to such headlines must really be worried whether indeed they can get justice in our courts. The confidence in the administration of justice has been almost totally eroded, and it is a high time something was done. Mm-hmm. Of course, I don't advocate for a purge like the one we saw in 2003, for the simple reason that, you know, we are here yet again, meaning that it failed. But
don't you think it's necessary to weed out, you know, the wheat from the chaff?
It is the individual is not the problem. It's the institutions and the setup and the mechanisms. We know very well that there are cartels in this country running some bits of the judiciary, and until those cartels are dealt with, it will be a case of, you know, is it different monkey? Same monkeys in the same forest.
Same monkeys, different forests.
Yes, yes, yes. It will be a question of repeating, trying the same old ways to achieve new results, which won't work. There are people whom we know have taken strategic positions, and they're using those positions of influence to either, you know, either undermine the judiciary or